Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to hide photo and video on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So simply you just select a photo and video that you wanna hide. So like I'm select this photo and this video. Click onto more option. Then I'm move to secure folder. At first need to set up your secure folder. If you don't do this set up secure folder, check out my description box and provide this video link. Click on. So look here, now remove this video from here. Okay, and go to my secure folder, open, click on to gallery, then showing it to I'm recently hide this image and video, successfully add this. Or if you want to unhide, select, click onto more and move out of secure folder, press on. Now remove from here and again add in your gallery. So that's it.